Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to unbox the Lubn key box. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over technology, so anything to do with product reviews or unboxings. If you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So, let's get back to your educated programming. So I'm gonna be unboxing the Lubn lockbox, and I already have it open, but the Lubn is made and packaged with love. If the seal is broken, so they do have a iOS App Store app and a Google Play app and a web app. So you can see it wherever you're at on those three platforms. So I'm gonna get to opening it. So now you see that you can scan this QR code for the manager app, and you can get a video tutorial as well. So I scoot it back a little bit. So now you see the instructions and how it works. So I'm gonna set that aside. And this is the key box, and get it out so you can see that it's pretty nice. It says do not force, please keep keys tethered, and then you can open it up and you can see that it says do not remove keys, so it tells people step by step on what to do. And then you can just close it up. It feels like it's made pretty well actually too, so set that aside. So now if you this, so the shackle is pretty nice. It feels really tough. It's got this a rubber coating on it, and it makes it to where it won't scratch the door. It don't look like it would scratch the door. Try to get all sides of that so you can see it. Yeah, that's a really nice shackle. I'm gonna set that aside over here. And then here's the main show, which is the lockbox. Open it up. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to educated programming. So it's got that rubber coating, or maybe it's rubber, I'm not sure, but it's got that soft coating on it, so it feels made really well. The button feels good, and there's where the lockbox key goes. See if I can get it to where you can see it. And then there's where the shackle goes over here. Just I goes in there like that. I think it feels it feels really good, and it feels like it's made really well too. So if you go back into the box, you'll see that there's a micro USB and a USB. So that would charge it under here. If I can get open. Okay, there's the micro USB. If I can put that in the view of the camera. There we go. That's where you charge it at, looks like. And then that just pops right down there. And I did press the button and the light came on. So, you know it's working. I like how they have that light down here in case you're in the dark and you I want to be able to see the key box come out. So I think that's it in the box. Just check real quick. Yep, that's it. So that's the Lubn lockbox. So I just unboxed the Lubn key box. So if you like this unboxing, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or any community support, you can go to the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.